back to my YouTube channel. I am here and I just got out of the shower, so that's why I'm really pink and rosy, because I get hot after I shower. And so I just want to do a quick video on how I do my natural hair. I don't do a lot of stuff, no razzle dazzle, just a couple products and that's it. So I just wanted to make a little quick video for you so you guys can see how I do my hair. It's not this big old process that I go through. So I just wanted to show you, so let's get started. So the first product I use is the Cantu leave-in daily moisturizer with shea butter. I use this along with the Cantu argan oil leave-in conditioner repair cream. So I do a combination of these two things together and you get to see how my hair looks. So I tend to let it dry more usually when I do it, but I'm going to do a makeup look after this, so stay tuned to see that as well. So I'm going to show you, and then when I finish my makeup look, I will show you what my hair looks like after it's more dry. So get ready to see. So that is how I do my hair, y'all. That's it. After I wash it, put the stuff in, work it in, and then I'm good to go. So stay tuned. After my makeup look, I'm going to come back and I will show you how it looks when it's more dry so you can see the finished product. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, here is the finished product of my hair. So I did a whole look, and by the time I finish my look, my hair is dry. So this is how it is. So if you want to make it bigger, I just put my fingers in and just move it around, I just air dry it. There's no diffuser, no hair dryer or anything. I just do this and let it get big as I want it, and that is it. So that is how I do my hair on a daily basis if I decide to wear my hair down. So I hope you enjoy. Come back and see another tutorial. God bless. Bye.